Hey guys, this is me Priyanshu, and in this video I'm gonna share with you that how you can add iPhone emojis in your Canva project. As you can see, I have added these. So let's see how you can do this. Please make sure you watch the full video because I am gonna give you a tip. Make sure you don't skip the video till the end. Let's move to the video. So for adding these emojis in your Canva project, you have to visit a site that is emojipedia.org. Press enter and you will redirect to the site. Now what you have to do is scroll down and now click on this Apple icon, Apple heading, and then you will redirect to the page where you will find all the iPhone emojis that are being used in the iPhone. For using these emojis in your Canva project, what you have to do is to select the emoji like I am selecting this. For using these emojis, you just have to hover on any of the emoji and now right click on mouse and click on save image as. When you click on save image as, the Chrome will ask you to download this emoji in your laptop. Just click on save and the emoji will be downloaded. Next step is to go to your Canva dashboard. Just click and drag this emoji into your workspace. Now as you can see here, I have uploaded this emoji here. Now the pro tip is, if you want to use these emojis without downloading, what you have to do is, let's see, I am going to use this emoji. I'll just right click on the mouse and just click on the copy image. Now the emoji is copied. Now just go to your Canva project and just click on the project and just Control B. Ta-da! The emoji is here. So that was the pro tip. You can follow. The emoji will be uploaded automatically here. That was it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked this video, then please make sure you hit the like button and to subscribe my channel for getting these crazy bits regularly. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.